Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video I'm going to show you how to embed a PDF file look like this, and it will be like a 3D flipbook effect. For example, next page will look like this, and user can zoom or pan to read all the text containing in this flipbook. Okay, for this we will need a plugin. Come to your dashboard and click on plugins, add new. In the search box type PDF flipbook 3D or press enter. From the search list, here is the interactive 3D flipbook. So click on install and then activate. I already have it, that is why it's not asking me. Okay, after installing and activating the interactive 3D flipbook, come to your 3D flipbook menu, which will be appeared after installation of this plugin on your dashboard. Click on 3D flipbook and come to shortcode generator. But before we can generate our shortcode, first you will have to upload your PDF file to your media library. So click on media library. In the media library, click on add new, and an upload box will be appeared. Click select file and choose your PDF file. I kept it on my desktop by the name of test book. Here it is, open, and it will be uploaded, and then you can use this. After uploading the file, you can click on PDF test book, and here is the link to the file. Select it and copy the URL. Now click on 3D flipbook and click on generate shortcode or shortcode generator. On the shortcode generator page, come to this section 3D flipbook and change the source to PDF URL, and then paste your URL here in the PDF URL section. Now when you paste the PDF URL from your media library here, then there will be a shortcode generated here. So we will need this shortcode. Select this and copy to your clipboard. Now click on pages, add new. We can create a page where we will use this shortcode on that page. Give the page a title. I'll type test PDF file, and then in the block section click on add block, or if you are using Gutenberg editor, then you can directly paste the shortcode in the description field, or if you're using Elementor, then you can use their shortcode widget, so you can have the 3D flipbook. So in my case I'll click on add block, or you can just directly click on this shortcode button, but for general reason I'm choosing it from here. If you cannot find the shortcode here, then type here shortcode, and here it is. Click on that and paste your shortcode here. Now about the page template, come to your attribute section and page attributes, and then select your template. Default template means that your default template theme will be used. For example, if they have sidebar, then sidebar will be used. If they have left sidebar, right sidebar, header, footer, everything will be used. But if you are using Elementor, then you can also use Elementor canvas or Elementor full width template. But I am going with my default template because it will have a sidebar and it will look great with a sidebar for my website. Click on publish again. Now let's check the page, how will it look like. I'll open it in a new tab. The PDF file is loading and it's done. Okay, now here you can see the PDF file is in the format of a 3D flipbook. People can flip the pages like this, and they can zoom to read the text, or they can pan up or down, or swipe between pages left or right. So here are the controls, and there are also the default PDF controls like download, print, or full screen. So people can full screen your PDF and the effect will be the same. So that was all for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel and press that bell notification so you won't miss our future updates. Thank you.